Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale Trading Floor. It is September 15th. We've got corn down, slightly, a couple cents overnight. Beans up a little bit, with wheat down about 4.5. Some news that came out yesterday, good to excellent ratings for corn. We had 68%. That's right in line. It's unchanged from previous weeks. Really haven't moved off of that too much. Beans down about 2%, but this is the time of year where we should be dropping. But for corn, still holding strong. So we'll see what kind of effects we get from that, but there shouldn't be too much as far as good to excellent ratings. We're going to start shifting our focus onto harvest progress. So we're 5% complete for corn. First report of that. Last year at this time, we were at 4%. The 5-year average is at 9%. So still early, that the trade isn't going to pay too much attention to that, but we should see that pick up here over the next few weeks. Can we see some more strength today like we had seen the last few days from the numbers on Friday? That report on Friday, certainly friendly for corn, but really wasn't that friendly for beans or wheat, but we've seen a strong reaction from that. So we'll see if we do get some more continued strength today, or will we get some profit taking and on a turnaround Tuesday type attitude. Some of the strength for wheat yesterday coming from talks of areas of Rio Grande do Sul getting their second frost, a hard frost once again. But it takes a while before we really see some damage from that and really get to see how much damage that may have caused. So, that sparked the market and had some short covering for wheat and gave us a strong move for wheat. But we're giving back about 4.5 here today. And I think all eyes will be focused on the FOMC meeting that starts tomorrow. And then the minutes, we'll hear what happens here on Thursday. Will we see the Fed raise rates? Are they going to? Are they not? This has been advertised pretty heavily that we were going to see a rate hike. Now we're starting to hear talks that they may not. So a lot of uncertainty around what could happen here over the next few days. That impact will be on the dollar. So if the dollar does continue to rally, if they do raise rates, that's tightening of money. The dollar should end up rallying, which could cut back on commodities if the dollar goes up. So keep an eye on that. A lot of interest there over the next few days. Looking at livestock, cattle up 60 cents, finding a decent jump today, and that's even with the lower box beef number again. Choice down 95, select down 104. But the market's excited here this morning over the show list numbers that were down 16,000 head. It's enough to spark some interest there and give us the stronger move here today. Hogs are up $1.12, so big move there. We were down yesterday. But cutout values up again, up 14, and finding this push higher even with yesterday's move. So a stronger move for hogs, and it's got livestock as a whole kind of excited right now. Stock market's up 48 points. We've got crude oil jumping about 30 cents so far today. The dollar is up just 5, sitting relatively quiet ahead of this meeting. So give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you out. 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.